dadgum begging. You know, a lot of women won't do this anymore. They sure won't. A lot of men won't do it anymore. They'd rather go and have it bought for them. They put that piece of gizzard in that ice, 'cause I want that hummer. I'll clean him. See if I can get any better at this. That's pretty good. Right there. I like pulling them bones out. Charlie caught him yesterday. He had that redfish last night. So I told him I'd clean the mullet when I came home from work. And so I am for that. Yeah, I know. Not too many people can do it that way. But I did learn from the best. My mama, I learned from my mama because my mama knew how to clean a fish. Didn't matter what kind it was. And we all learned how. Cut that belly off of there, see? That belly, to me, don't have good taste. If I had a dadgum knife, never have like this bubble blade, y'all. Never have. But just wanted to let y'all see that I got me some mullet to go in here. Take out that them big old bones. Look at that. It's a pretty piece of slab of meat. Jeez, get out of here, blowflies. I tell you, a fly, you never see a dadgum fly until you start cleaning the fish or seafood. I'm cutting the backbone off. There's a gizzard in there showing up. Showing up. Look at that. I got me some gizzards. I'll clean them when I go in the house. Let me get them rinsed off of put them with the nose. So y'all, I still got 2 more. But I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I'll clean all that off when I get in the house and get me a decent knife. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to clean a mullet. And I don't mind cleaning one, 'cause I'm a bog eater.